Kani gadega Pati CCTV, bat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasngi.
Henne kasngi ka arp khandai trek unok pra, ka Saiñ hima sima hakani ka jela kelawan ke jingkela. Hadian Haduh prangot ki MLA, ki leher syuki no kom ki MLA. Kepala pau syai bakadai ke sinjam, bandai Pynïasoh no bat Kawei pat ki Saiñ Pyrthei. Henne kasngi Haduh Ngut ki MLA ki bela job da kalama jong ka Seng Kongres House nam arhajar katlai kila no kam kom ki MLA bakanthum yo ba sngau bahalang dhar na nartiang constituency uba ngai lang dhar na umroi constituency uba coming one ombon na raliang constituency uba preston tensong na penosla constituency bat uba rowellingdo na maukarwat constituency kiwei de ki bela no kam kom ki MLA henne kasngi ki kanthop yo ba remington pongrop na maukanro constituency ubalami no na kaseng UDP bat uba Stephenson Mukim na Amnarem constituency bat uba Hopeful Baman na Sutnga constituency kibala job yak election house nam arhajar khatlai kum ki kertong shiman hadin bakini ki prangot ki kertong kala no yak jinglong MLA ne kasngi la sngutu shai bakine baro kin sa Pynïasoh no bat kaseng National People's Party kabakino ilam jong ni kaseng hakani kasngi kilong bakin sa pemnapat ba hakasau tarik ubnai kala lingkot usnam arzakat pra banwan
because of change of political party change of they change kadega jingkala ki baro ki nongkersan yang wa ba nandang ele biang kadau kadau de kalong bet na ki leader way leader jongka government but way par leader jongka congress party kini de kadau ki ba penong yang ki bala haras yang ki bala ill-treated, kibala humiliate yang naga party. Ki remove yo baro ki assignment kibala ngadon ha party nang ta la chase out na ka government but namar kata ki peniba kim kwa shu yang ndai nga iche ka congress party nga buram ya congress party ki nongrim yo congress party nga snutnat but ngaju iche ka congress party badia baro ki no three party chong congress Rei kini ki top leader jongga step jongi kila le ya kini ki bom la ban pensungutan ati ki pajba jong step niyo I ka party NPP bakandang kyo but kinongrim ru ki babiang namar kamla de ka ba fair na ka congress ka NPP na kata kadang iba kabiang ne party but namar kata ngisungutan ban join ka NPP Kawei kalong mayo iba kadon ka scope kadon ka hope ba ka laban po ko majority ka next election. During that period, I never thought of leaving the Congress because I've been working for the Congress and I've never thought at any time that I leave Congress. But this time, right from 2016 itself, right from 2015 onward, the Congress party in the state has been splitting. There have been always, the disturbance among the leaders. So I could see that the Congress party will go down. That's why now with all the ill treatment against me and against my constituency, so I left.
Parti club je kan option la try ba me kun ba ne pana ba ne wen mun la ma ya si kam kwa ari ni han ta dang han ni no ni ba ni parti ba menta NPP long parti ba dang khot la ba ni try lang la ba ni corporate lang
kumungi songpo ba bon di bre yang ba kata Seng NPP ketika Seng BJP ni ba ba
ni try lang ba India ka jong kalati la. India ka jong kalati. Mila persyang iban netrai iban work hard min sayo ka majority hard.
I have given this statement not less than 3-4 times that I am not happy with the functioning, the style of functioning of our chief minister. Meaning the leadership has failed. I've seen it that there is no aspiration. So ultimately I decided to leave the party in spite of the fact that I am originally from Congress party. The main problem I'm telling you, even in the cabinet, he hardly consulted anyone. Whatever he does it alone without any consultation with his colleague ministers. So ultimately, I personally feel that this is not the way of functioning, running the government in the state. Because government is what? Government is the people of it. Okay? I ultimately see, I found out that the alternative party who can lead the state is the NPP. Okay? Is the NPP. That's what we decided to join.
So now that five Congress legislators have resigned in one go, how do you see the prospects of Congress now in the upcoming elections?
As of now, I think you should have seen 5 joining NPP, 1 joining PDF, 3 they retired. Okay, so altogether how many Congress MLAs we have? I think 9 of them. So the impact is so much. It never happened in the history of Congress party in Meghalaya, and this is the first time it happened. We are trying our best to cross the magic number, 31. Okay. That is our focus. We would like to cross the magic number, 31 plus. Now, I'm telling you on the 4th, we are formally joining NPP. Once we joining the NPP, meaning we joining the new party. So it is not the question that I leave tomorrow, join Congress again, or I leave or join NPP 2-3 times. We have to respect the obligation legally made in detention.